Hi, this is Professor V.K. Patil. I welcome you to my video classes on basic electronics. In my last class, we have discussed about the laws of Boolean algebra. Today we will see the logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital circuits. To implement any digital circuit, we need these logic gates. The logic gates have one or more than one inputs and it has one output. So we have different types of logic gates. First one is basic gates, second one is universal gate, and third one is exclusive gates. Let us start with a basic gates. So these are known as the basic gates. The reason is that any Boolean expression, that is any digital circuit, can be implemented by using these basic gates. Hence the name is given as the basic gate. In basic gate we have three gates. The first one is NOT gate. The NOT gate basically it performs the complement operation. The symbol for NOT gate is, this is the symbol. It has only one input. Let us say it is defined by the variable a, and it has one output y, and the expression for the y, that is output of a NOT gate, is y is equal to a complement. As it performs the complement of a input, it is also known as inverter. The truth table for this NOT gate is, we have a column of input variables, then we have a column of output variable, where output variable y is equal to a complement. Different input combinations for this variable is 0 or 1. We know that complement of a 0, that is nothing but a 1, and complement of 1 is nothing but a 0. This is nothing but the NOT gate, which is also known as inverter. It has only one input, it has one output, where output is a complemented or inverted version of a input. Hence the name is given as inverter or NOT gate. Right? So y is equal to a complement is known as logical equation for this gate. So this is the truth table and this is nothing but the symbol. The second basic gate is OR gate. OR gate, it has two inputs and it has one output. The symbol for OR gate is like this, which has the two inputs and it has one output. The logical expression for this OR gate is A plus B. It performs the logical OR operation, where plus is nothing but the OR operator. The truth table for this OR gate is list of input combinations, then output. Different input combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. As it has only two inputs, the number of different input combinations, we can get it as 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4. When 0 0 is the input to the OR gate, I can write the output y by using this relation y is equal to a plus b. 0 plus 0, I will get output 0. 0 plus 1, we will get 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. In other words, I can say that OR gate, it performs the logical OR operation, and it gives a low output when both of the inputs are 0. This is nothing but OR gate, where logical expression for OR gate is equal to y is equal to a plus b. And this is the symbol for OR gate. The next basic gate is AND gate. Again, AND gate, it has two inputs and one output. The symbol for AND gate is it has two inputs A and B, output Y, where output Y is given as A dot B. AND gate, it performs logical multiplication. The truth table for this, A and B, these are the input variables, their different combination 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Output Y can be given as A dot B, 0 dot 0, which gives you a 0, 0 dot 1, 0, 1 dot 0, 0, 1 dot 1 is 1. This is nothing but the truth table for the AND gate. The AND gate symbol, logical expression for AND gate, and truth table. We can conclude that the AND gate, it gives a logical high output, that is one output, when both of the inputs are 1. For all other input combinations, output is low, that is 0. So these are nothing but the basic gates. These are known as basic gates. The reason is that any Boolean expression, any digital circuit, I can implement only by using these gates. Hence the name is given as basic gate. We will see some examples on implementation of Boolean expression later on. Next we will see the universal gates. So we have two universal gates. One is NOR gate and another is NAND gate. Let us see these gates. In universal gates, let us first discuss the NOR gate. NOR is basically not OR gate combination. It is not of OR. The symbol for NOR gate is this is the symbol, which is basically a OR gate in series with a NOT gate. So here we have OR gate and this is NOT gate. Inputs are A, B. We know the output of OR gate is A plus B, and we get output of this combination, which is nothing but A plus B complement. Hence the symbol for NOR gate becomes input A and B, output Y, which is equal to A plus B complement. This is nothing but the symbol. The logical equation for a NOR gate is Y is equal to A plus B complement. A plus B complement. Right? The truth table for this, different input combinations and output listing, that is nothing but the truth table. Different input combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 and its complement, I'll get a 1. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 complement. 1 plus 0 is 1, its complement 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, its complement, I'll get a 0. In short, I can say that the NOR gate, it gives a logical high output when both of the inputs are low, which is exactly reverse of OR gate. This is the first universal gate, a NOR gate. Why the name is given as universal gate? Any Boolean expression or digital circuit, it can be implemented by using only this NOR gate. You will get all gates which are NOR only. Hence the name is given as universal gate. Same is true for NAND gate also. Let us see what is this NAND gate. The second universal gate is NAND gate. The NAND gate, it can be thought as not AND gate. That is, it is a series connection of AND gate and a NOT gate. NOT is connected after AND gate. Input to the AND gates, let us say A and B. Intermediate output, we can say it is A dot B. So this is AND gate. This is NOT gate. The output Y I can write, which is equal to A dot B complement. The symbol for NAND gate is, it is same as that of AND gate. We need to add bubble, that is inversion. Bubble, usually it indicates a complement or inversion. And this is nothing but the symbol for NAND gate, where logical equation is A dot B complement. Logical expression for NAND gate is Y is equal to A dot B complement. Right? Now let us see the truth table. The truth table is nothing but listing of all input combinations and output. Different input combinations for two variables are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now Y is nothing but A dot B. First you need to perform the product, then I need to take the complement of a product. Okay. Now 0 dot 0, 0 dot 0 is 0, its complement is 1. 0 dot 1 is again 0, its complement is 1. 1 dot 0 is 0, again its complement is 1. 1 dot 1 is 1 and its complement is 0. In summary, I can say that the NAND gate, it gives a logical low output only when both of the inputs are 1. So these are nothing but the universal gates. The name universal gate is given because any Boolean expression or the digital circuit, it can be implemented only by using either NOR gate or by using NAND gate. Hence the name is universal gate. Apart from these basic gates and universal gates, we have some other class of gates which is exclusive gates. In exclusive gates, again we have two gates. One is exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. That is XOR gate and XNOR gate. Let us see these exclusive gates. The first exclusive gate is XOR gate, which is also known as exclusive OR gate. The symbol for exclusive OR gate is, there is bit change in OR gate representation. Now this is added exclusive OR gate. Let these inputs are A and B, output is Y, and output Y is given by using the XOR operation, and that XOR operation is given as A XOR B. This is the operator XOR. How I can simplify this XOR operation? A dot B bar plus B dot A bar, that is nothing but a Y, that is A XOR B. The truth table for this XOR gate is, we have input A and B, output Y, different input combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. When 0, 0 is the input, the output will be a 0. When input 1, 1 is there, again output I will get a 0, and for other combination I will get output 1. You can evaluate this output simply by substituting these values of A and B in this expression. When A is 0, B is 0, you will get output 0. Simply substitute and calculate. In summary, I can say the exclusive OR gate, it has a logical low output, logical low output when the inputs are same. When both of the inputs are same. When A and B both are 0, 0, you will get output 0. When both are 1, 1, you will get output 0. In other words also I can define, when inputs are different, then I will get the output which is logical high. 0, 1, these are different inputs, I will get output which is high. 1, 0, output I am going to get a high. This is nothing but the first exclusive gate, which is XOR gate. The next exclusive gate is XNOR gate. The second exclusive gate is XNOR gate, which is exclusive NOR gate. The symbol for exclusive NOR gate is where input variables are AB, output Y is A, XNOR B. Circle with a dot is an operator XNOR. The equation for this XNOR gate is AB plus A complement B complement. A dot B plus A complement dot B complement. The truth table for this, list the different input combinations, then find out the output. The different input combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If I substitute A and B both are 0, here you will get a 0 dot 0, which is 0, 0 plus 0 complement dot 1 complement, 0 complement dot 0 complement, which is 1. So here you will get output which is equal to 1. Then 0. For the input combinations 1, 0, again I will get a 0. And for 1, 1, again I will get a 1. Simply substitute the values of A and B in this expression, you can evaluate the output. Now if you observe carefully, this output Y is complement of XOR gate. In summary, I can say when both the inputs to the XNOR gate are equal, then output is logical high. When the inputs are of different types, then output we are going to get which is logical 0. This is all about the gates, logical gates. The logical gates are basic building blocks of a digital circuit. In my next class, we will see how to simplify the Boolean expression as well as how to implement the Boolean expression by using logic gates. Till then, thank you.